Put honey on your feet, and the next day you won't believe the results. Maybe the manicurists don't want you to know that, but today I'm going to tell you. In this video, I'm going to teach you 2 powerful tips with honey that will definitely change your life. For the first tip, put 3 tablespoons of salt in a container. We use salt because it helps prevent problems with nails and the skin around them, as well as preventing and eliminating the formation of fungus. The other ingredient we'll use is honey, and we'll only use 2 spoonfuls. It's best to use pure honey. Now mix the mixture we've prepared well. You can apply it to your fingernails and toenails, as honey helps to eliminate yellow spots on the nails, usually caused by wearing nail polish or tight shoes. Intense moisturizing. Honey is a natural humectant, which means that it attracts and retains moisture. This is especially useful for dry, rough feet, providing deep hydration and keeping the skin soft and smooth. Antibacterial properties. Honey has antibacterial properties that help prevent infections and promote the healing of small wounds, cracks, and blisters on the feet. Odor reduction. Honey's antibacterial properties can also help reduce foot odor by fighting the bacteria that cause bad smells. The next ingredient is coconut oil. Add just 1 tablespoon and mix well. If you don't have coconut oil at home, you can replace it with olive oil. Coconut oil helps to strengthen and promote healthy nail growth. It provides deep hydration. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. It penetrates the skin effectively, helping to keep feet soft and smooth, especially for those with dry, rough skin. When everything is well mixed, carefully apply the mixture directly to your nails. If you use this product regularly, you'll have moisturized and beautiful nails, and the best thing is that this will happen in just a few days. After application, leave the mixture on for 15 minutes. In no time at all, you'll see the excellent results this powerful tip provides. To eliminate cracks in your heels, put a spoonful of honey, 2 spoonfuls of salt, a spoonful of your favorite moisturizer, which will provide more nutrition, and a spoonful of coconut oil in a bowl. Mix well until you get a homogeneous paste. Apply the paste to your feet in circular motions. You'll notice a big difference the first time you apply it, as this recipe completely renews your feet. If you try it today, I guarantee you'll love the results. Tell me, which of the 2 tips did you like better? I'll leave that to one side, and I hope you enjoyed our video today. Cheers, and see you later.